Imagine this, you are sitting on your couch, sipping your favorite drink, scrolling through the internet like you already do every day. But this time, you are actually getting paid $15 an hour just to browse the internet. This is not dropshipping or e-commerce, neither is it affiliate marketing, and you're not going to be selling any digital course or digital product. I know it sounds crazy, but companies are willing to pay you just for your time online. Well, stick around because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how it works, who is paying, and most importantly, how you can start making money just by being online. But there's a catch. Most people never hear about this because they are looking in the wrong places. Don't be one of them. By the end of this video, you have everything you need to start earning $15 per hour just by browsing the internet. Let's dive in. There are quite a number of platforms that pay you for browsing or staying online, but we're going to be looking at 4 of the best, including my favorite of them all, which I will reveal at the end of this video. Now, when it comes to getting paid on these platforms, it's quite easy. The most common payment method we have are PayPal and direct deposit into your local bank account. There are many other payments which each of these platforms have ready for their users, and the first platform that I'm going to be showing you today that pays you staying online is userpick.com. Userpick.com pays you for testing, and if you come to their website, this is their website and this is what it looks like. They are giving a visual example here of how you can even test your e-commerce website before you launch it to the public. So people can actually come to your e-commerce website and test it to see if it is good for public use or not. On this platform, people who want their website to be tested can also target a particular audience for testing. So this is one of the platforms that pay you for actually staying online. They give you a website or an app that you're going to test to see if it is working perfectly well. If there's any bug that you are going to notice, you have to record it and send to them and let them know that this is what they have on their website. Now, the next one that we're going to be talking about is userfeel.com. This is the website. It says easy user testing and surveys without needing a subscription. So you can come to this website and get gigs for testing of different websites, different applications without getting registered or without paying for anything. Here you can see it says 1 million testers from all over the world and over 700 clients that they have worked for. So this is one of the best platforms that pay you just for staying online. Let's look at some of the frequently asked questions. Here they say become a tester of websites and apps and earn $3 to $30 per test. Now that's quite huge. Just to test a particular website or an app, you get over $3 to $30 being paid. He said each test lasts for 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet or a smartphone, and most tests are within 20 minutes where you can earn $10. So you can see that this is quite lucrative. Now mind you that this particular source of income is not going to make you rich. This is just for you to have some extra cash in your bank account, and it's not going to make you rich in any way. So please don't think this is going to make you rich. It will not. So if you come down here, it says what equipment do I need to become a tester? He said in order to test websites and get paid, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer or a mobile phone or a tablet. If you are on Windows, you need to have Windows 8 or newer. So you need a computer and you need a mobile phone. The device also needs to have a microphone, either an internal microphone or an external one. The reason you'll be needing a microphone is because you will need to give your feedback on the app or the website you've tested, and most times they will ask for a video feedback or just your voice note, while other times they might ask for just a test for you to just write down your observation. Now moving on, the next platform that pays you for staying online is testerwork.com, and they have over 70,000 testers around the world who earn money by testing websites and applications in their free time. So this particular website have worked with companies like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Instagram, and even Verizon. So how this works is very simple. You just need to sign up, you register and complete their 3-step question and answer assessment test. Then you will be sent exclusive invites to join their latest test circles every single day. Then you can get paid, so you make money for the bugs and the reports that you complete. I'm going to be linking down all the website links of these platforms that I have mentioned, check the comment section or you check the description and you're going to find all the links to these platforms. So when you go to testerworker.com, you have to create an account and then add your devices. You're going to select the number of devices or the type of devices that you have available, and then they're going to be sending you emails about tester work or tester gigs that are available depending on the device that is needed. So if your devices are perfect match for the device that is needed by the companies that want their apps and websites to be tested, then you will receive an email telling you about the availability of these gigs. The last platform that pays you for staying online is usertesting.com. This is by far one of the best platforms that pay you for testing websites and mobile applications. So in all those platforms that we have mentioned, what they will require of you is very simple. The first thing they will require of you is your device type. You need to specify your device type, the type of device that you use, so that they can find gigs that matches your device type, and they're going to send you email about these gigs that are available based on the devices that you have. The next thing they are going to require is your time zone and your location. Of course, you're going to give them your time zone and your location for them to find the perfect gig for you, because most times there are some apps or mobile applications or websites that have restrictions based on users that can access them. Like some countries have restrictions. If your country where you are testing from is restricted from using a mobile application, you're not going to receive any email about that particular mobile application or website test gig. So you're only going to receive email or invitations to test websites or apps that are available in your location and not restricted for your location. The next thing they require of you is your internet speed. You really need to have a very fast internet speed for you to even get gigs, because if your internet speed is very slow, you're not going to get any gigs, because they want to be sure that the bugs that you'll be detecting on their website are not based on your internet speed. They want to be sure that everything is perfect and correct. So if your internet speed is very slow, you're not going to get any gigs, I can assure you on that. So to test your internet speed, because it will require you to tell them what speed your internet runs out. To test your internet speed or your device speed, you have to go to speedtest.net. This is where you are going to be testing the speed of your device. So it's very pretty easy to use. Speedtest.net. This is what it looks like. So when you have registered on these platforms, they are going to be sending you mails about newly posted testing gigs. So you have to be fast and always online to accept these gigs before someone else does. It's basically survival of the fastest. So after testing, you need to record your observations and your remarks and send to them. And one thing I like about this website, they can't run out of gigs, because there are hundreds of websites being built every day. Although the competition is pretty high, you can get paid up to $20 per gig, even $30 per gig, depending on the company in question and how much they are willing to spend for it. So it's very easy to get gigs on this website. They can't run out of testing gigs. But the thing is, you have to be very fast, because it is first come first served basis. You're going to send emails to every single person that is qualified to test a particular product, and the first person to actually accept that gig or that invitation to test that product actually gets the job. So every single gig they are sending to you has a price tag on it, how much you're going to get paid for testing that gig. So make sure you are always online and you have your device ready just to accept any gig that is sent into your email. So these are the platforms that pay you for staying online. All the links, like I said, are available in the comment section or in the description. Click on anyone you feel like trying out, and I wish you luck. So now you know how to make $15 per hour just by browsing the internet. It's pretty crazy, right? But what if I told you there's a lazier way to make money online? Imagine getting paid $32 per hour just to watch Netflix. No, this isn't some sketchy scam. It's a real thing and people are doing it right now. This video right here breaks down exactly how it works and how you can start earning on Netflix today. So if you want to turn your Netflix watching sessions into a paycheck, click to watch the video before it disappears in the next 2 seconds.